have 3 amazing sets to go through, so let's dive right in. First up, we have these high-waist but lifting shorts. Look at the scrunch but design on these. It's designed to lift and enhance your curves in all the right ways. Oh my god, look at how flattering these are. The contour design on the butt gives such a nice lift, making it look even rounder and firmer. And let's talk about the high-waisted feature. It snatches in your waist and gives you that smooth, sculpted look. Next, we have these super cute pink stripe print leggings. Again, check out that scrunch butt design. It really does wonders to lift and shape your bum. And when I put these on, wow, the butt lifting effect is insane. Not only that, but the high-waisted design is perfect for smoothing out your tummy and giving you that sleek, hourglass look. Seriously, these leggings are a game changer for any workout or casual day. Last but not least, I'm loving this khaki set. The leggings have the same scrunch but design that we've seen, and trust me, it's just as amazing here. And look at this. The asymmetrical hemline is so sexy. These leggings are giving me such a nice shape, and I love how flattering they are. And for the top, this crop top with the gem print is super cute and comfortable. It's perfect for working out or just lounging around. Plus, the entire look comes together so effortlessly. I'm loving it. Girls, go get these now. Trust me, you won't regret. Okay, now here's the best part. Wakyme is having an amazing spring sale right now. Check out the deals in the comment box. Shop now at wakyme.com and treat yourself to some seriously flattering pieces. Hurry up, these deals won't last long.